Okay, so we've finished all our pre-processing, and in the end we only needed those final files that we've needed, and they're listed in the worksheet. So we're just starting with those. We've created an exercise 4 directory, and now we're going to look at doing a per pixel based classification using one of the classifiers, the extra trees algorithm from scikit-learn. So our training data is specified through some shapefiles, and we'll be looking at those in a bit. You can open them in QGIS or whatever GIS. We've specified what image data we're using. So we're specifying our images, which bands. You can see here that just as for illustration, we've dropped the first band of Landsat, just so you can see how that process works. We're specifying the colors that we're using for our output images there. Then we've got our we're defining our classifier, which is from this scikit-learn library. We then have the function in RSGISLib, which is going to train that classifier, and then we're going to apply that classifier to our data. Okay, so we'll now run that Python script. And what you see here is the processing started, but we've forgotten to copy in our training data. So we need to copy in from our datasets the training image. So all the training datasets, that's that tar.gzip. So we're going to extract that. And then because the file paths are all local to this directory, we need to move the data out of the classification training directory and move those files so they're local. So we'll just move everything out. And you can see here now we have all of our shapefile, our training regions within the same directory. So now we can run our script again, and this time it should all run through successfully.